If you're a day trader and you trade Bitcoin, then listen up because we're hopping into our next analysis for this week. Will we move higher or are we pushing lower? Let's hop into it. On the weekly time frame, we have moved from a bullish trend to now a bearish trend where the price is making lower highs and lower lows and trading below the 50-period moving average. Price is retesting support from December of 2024 where you can see we broke this level and headed lower, and now here's where we are sitting right at this 93,000 mark. For all of our hungry buyers, I know you're looking at this support and you're eyeing it saying, this looks amazing, but I want you to be aware of something. We could get a bounce from the 89,000 area right here where price could break lower and reject right off of our December low from 2024. I personally believe there's a strong opportunity for us to break lower, and Bitcoin will probably reach the 77,000 mark and retesting our low from March of 2025. Since we are bearish on both the weekly and the daily time frame, there's really no major confluence for us to be taking a long opportunity right now, and all signs are pointing presently to the downside. For those of you who are long, we could bounce from this support level from back in January of 2025, seeing a pullback on the weekly time frame, and then I expect that potential sellers will bounce in at this psychological level at the 100,000 mark, and we will see potential downside. If our December 2024, January 2025 support level holds, we could get a bounce from this area, therefore pushing for a correction on the daily time frame. However, I just don't know just yet if we're going to see momentum where we're going to break this bearish trend and continue higher. For now, all signs point to the downside and Bitcoin remains bearish. Potential signs for a bullish move would be a potential inverted head and shoulder on the daily time frame, looking for price to break above the neckline and cross the 50-period moving average on the daily. Until that happens, my friends, I recommend remaining bearish to the downside below our resistance of 1,741. And until we break that, we are bearish. If you're a new or struggling trader and you'd like free resources to help you grow in your trading, just comment Bitcoin and I'll send it your way.